We start today, however, with help on the career front. As Atlanta continues to grow, the need for skilled professionals is only getting bigger, and the United Education Institute offers modern campuses and hands-on training to help students launch a new career in as little as 10 months. Watch this.
My name is Greg Falcon. I'm the campus president of UEI here in Georgia. The United Education Institute is an accredited career school that helps students get short-term training and get them into the workforce. The way we do this is by having a very unique way of providing a hybrid education where our students come to school for 2 days a week in the labs learning these particular skills, and then also do work at home through the online system. At our Morrow and Stone Mountain campuses, we offer 3 trades programs, and those are automotive technician, electrician technician, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. And then to complement that, we have 3 other programs in the allied health field, which is medical assisting, dental assisting, and also medical billing, insurance, and coding. Students who attend UEI come to school for less than 10 months to get into their career field. What makes us unique is that we have on-site labs where students are learning skills that are in demand here in the Atlanta, Georgia area. We complement that by having instructors that are professionally trained to deliver that information, and then finally a career services department that gets with graduates, helps them connect with employers in the area by setting up interviews and also on-site opportunities to interview here on campus. The typical student for UEI can range from a student who has just finished high school. It could be a working parent who's deciding to go ahead and get back into the workforce. Maybe somebody who's even changing a career, or finally just a person that wants to get a fast track into a high demand area. You know, UEI is different than traditional colleges because students can finish their program in as few as 10 months. What happens is those students are here on campus 2 days a week, learning lab skills in the labs that we have on each campus, and then doing online work at home to go ahead and fulfill the other needs. We complement that by having career services departments that assist these graduates, connecting them with employers in our area and also assisting them with job interview skills. At UEI, our focus is hands-on training, and as you can see in our labs, we are preparing students for very specific skills that are in demand here in the greater Georgia area. The most exciting thing that we do here at United Education Institute is that we prepare students for a better future. And we see them come to us asking to get hands-on training. We deliver the hands-on training, turn them over to our career services department that aligns them with employers that have job openings and prepares them for a better future for themselves and also their families. Anyone who has an interest in learning more about United Education Institute can go directly to uei.edu or stop by our Stone Mountain or Morrow campuses here in the Georgia area.
Thank you to UEI College for sponsoring that segment.